Hey guys, wanna know how to download or install Kotlin on your PC? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first up, you need to keep in mind that you cannot directly install the Kotlin application, so it is just available in the browser. But what you can do is, you can download an application that runs Kotlin. So there is an application called IntelliJ, so you can just open up your favorite browser and type in INTELLIJ. Now once you've clicked in there, just simply select this first link right here that says JetBrains. This will direct you to the official website. And now scroll down a little bit until you see this download button right here. Click on it. Now here, just simply select your file format, either you want zip or exe. Now once you've done with that, just simply select download. And after a while, your download should start. And there you have it, super simple and easy. And once the download is finished, you can simply run the setup, open IntelliJ, and then just simply use Kotlin. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.